Hello techies. Today I will show you how you can pin your first OCI instance with free of cost. OCI means Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Nowadays Oracle provide good instance with competitive price when compared to other competitors in market. So you can see now I am in Oracle landing page. So on right side top you can see try Oracle Cloud free trial. So let's see what's inside the free. So you can see in this section what's included with Oracle Cloud free trial. So if you are new to all cloud technology, you will get two autonomous database which can be integrated with Apex. Other than that, you can use two Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Compute VMs, object storage, load balancer, monitoring, etc. Plus an addition of 30 days free 300 US dollar free credits. So I'm going to start for free. So I need to choose my territory from India. Okay, they are providing two types of account, company use and personal use. So for me it's just personal. And the first question is cloud account name. So what is this? This is just a reasonable name or a project name for each account URLs. So basically that helps us to distinguish with other projects. So I am giving here as demo video, and my home region for the time being I am choosing the first one, Ashburn. I have to give my name, first name, last name. So we have to give the address, then your state, then zip code, then mobile number. So for the privacy of this video, I have masked all the personal details. And the next is verification of mobile number. So when you click on the verify link, you will get an SMS. Yeah, hope you hear the sound. That's my SMS. So I have to enter the code and verify it. So once it's success, it will ask for password. So for this password, you can see the password policy, like should be at least 12 character, cannot exceed 40 characters. It should not be your first name, last name, or email address. Should have at least one lowercase, one uppercase, one numerical, and password should not contain some special characters. The next is payment. So payment in the sense like Oracle telling this is free, but this process is only for verifying or authenticating about you. So once you give your card information, Oracle will debit $1 for the verification purpose. After that, it will be credited soon. So this is free tier. So if you no longer need the free tier, you will be safe. You will not be charged. At any point of time, you can close this account. So I go ahead with payment. So you have to choose your card type. For security purpose, I have masked this information. expired date, and most important is your CVN number. So once you hit finish, the payment process transaction is in progress, and you need to click the license agreement TC and complete the sign up. Yeah, hope you got an email from Oracle. Welcome email from Oracle. So it says they are reviewing your request and may reach out us shortly by phone or email if required any additional inputs. So their background checking process is in progress. It will take a couple of minutes to complete the verification process. So here itself you can see get started with 400 credits free of cost, and all can access always your free account, always free service. Yeah, my checking background checking process is completed, and you can see one information in the screen like they are creating my account, which will take up to 15 minutes. So further information will be there in my email. So I will wait for the setup time. Okay, so after few minutes I got my email which contains the link to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Login System, and you can see here we have tenant detail, and I'm going to enter my username and password. For the security purpose I will be masking this. Yeah, you can see the Oracle Cloud coming up. Yes, so this is, you can see here it's a free trial. So when this free trial is over, your account will be limited to always free resource, and at any point of time I can upgrade. If I upgrade, then only the paper usage charge will be applicable for me. Till that, I could able to use the always free resources, that is two computer units, one Apex system and one autonomous database. I can able to use it free. Sounds good for me. Okay, so as you know, it's a corona COVID-19 crisis. So this is just their information. Read about their commitments to the customers. Okay, so this is the landing page of OCI. So here you can see some red button icons. So here we can see the core infrastructure details, block storage, object storage, file storage. We have database sessions, data solution and platform. Okay, more other cloud services. This is for governance, identity, and all. Yeah, sounds cool for me. And what right side, it's about a dashboard. So let me check what it is. All systems operational. View the health dashboard. Okay, this is just the OCI different regions and its dashboards. So if I subscribe to get the update whenever there is an issue into my specific region, I could able to get an update. Sounds cool. And okay, so here you can see this. My current data center which I subscribe is US East Ashburn. So for accessing the other region I need to subscribe. It's free of cost. And this is Cloud Shell. This is my profile language. Yeah, sounds good. So what we have learned today is how we can set up OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, how we can sign up. So after my sign up only we can able to create the instances. So stay tuned for our next videos. I will describe how we can able to create instance, or how we can create instance using Terraform, automation scripts and everything. Thank you for watching our channel. So if you don't subscribe our channel, please go ahead and click on the bell so you won't get miss any of the videos in future. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.